What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we kick off part 1 of my epic trip to Thailand. Yes, Thailand, the land of golden temples, street food that'll make you question your entire life, and vibes so chill they'll have you rethinking your 9 to 5. But before you get lost in the Instagram weedy beaches, we got to handle the real stuff first. That's right, preparation. Because ain't no way you're catching flights without having your stuff together. Let's dive in. No one, step 1. Get your passport, boo. If you already got one, make sure it's valid for at least 6 months past your travel dates. Thailand don't play about that expiration date. Trust me, you don't want to be that person stuck at the airport calling everybody and their grandma for help. Yeah. Next up, visa business. Now, for us, blessed with American passports, we can roll into Thailand for 30 days without a visa. But if you're trying to stay longer, because who wouldn't, you got to apply for that tourist visa ahead of time. Hit up the nearest Thai consulate or apply online. I'll have the link in the description for you all. It's easy peasy, but don't wait till the last minute, okay? All right, so now let's talk about flights. Listen, flights ain't cheap, but they don't got to break the bank either. Use apps like Google Flights, Hopper or Skyscanner, and always search in incognito mode, because them cookies be snitching on you. Pro tip, flying midweek is usually cheaper, and if you're cool with layovers, you can save even more coins. All right, your luggage time now. Airlines love to be stingy with those weight limits, so you got to pack smart. Here's the breakdown. Clothes. Thailand is hot and humid, so think light and breathable. Pack shorts, t-shirts, tank tops, sundresses and swimsuits. Throw in a light scarf or shawl for visiting temples. Got to keep it respectful, y'all. And don't forget comfy walking shoes. Flip-flops are cool, but some of those temple stairs are not playing. Sunscreen, this is not a drill. Thailand sun is no joke. And you don't want to look like a lobster in all your travel photos. Go for SPF 50 or higher. Insect repellent, mosquitoes out here are on a mission, get a good one with DEET or citronella. Save yourself from the itch. Rain gear. A compact umbrella or a foldable poncho is your best friend during Thailand's surprise rain showers. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated because the heat will humble you. What? Nah, shit. Selecting a peg. Bonus points if it has a built-in filter. Snacks. Sometimes you just need a taste of home. Pack granola bars, nuts, all your favourite comfort snacks. Travel-sized toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, shampoo, conditioner and body wash. TSA-approved sizes, y'all. And don't forget a small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers and meds for upset stomachs. Thailand food is amazing, but sometimes your stomach needs a little pep talk. Let's talk about the little things that make a big difference. Power adapter. Thailand uses 2-prong outlets with 220V. Grab a universal power adapter so you're not left with a dead phone. SIM card. You can grab a local SIM card right at the airport. AIS, DTAC and TrueMove are the big players. They'll hook you up with a data plan for cheap. Perfect for Google Maps and Instagram. Portable charger. Long travel days and phone batteries don't mix. A portable charger is a lifesaver. Travel pillow. For those long flights or bus rides between cities, trust me, your neck will thank you. Ziploc bags for organising cables, toiletries or keeping your snacks fresh. Also, clutch for wet swimsuits. Hand sanitizer and wipes. Keep it clean, fam. Public bathrooms and street food can be an adventure. Copies of important documents. Always have a backup of your passport, visa and travel insurance, just in case. And if you're planning to hit up the beaches, pack a dry bag to keep your electronics safe from water. Ain't nothing worse than a soggy phone. Now, let's talk money and manners. The currency is Thai baht, so exchange a little cash before you leave or hit up an ATM when you land. And Thai people are mad polite, so learn a couple of phrases like sawadika/crap for hello and krop chunka/crap for thank you. They'll love you for it. All right, fam, that's it for part 1. We've covered passports, visas, flights, packing and a little cultural prep. In part 2, we'll get into that touchdown moment, landing in Bangkok, navigating the airport and where to stay without blowing your budget. So, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on your notifications because you don't want to miss it. Catch you all soon, stay blessed and travel smart. Shall we return on your spurs and travel smart?